What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the Adidas Hobby Warm Up Blue and White. This is a special fleecy hobby for cold days and nights. This has the winter style with extra large size for extra protection against the cold days. This is really comfortable, seems like durable because of the materials quality and the Adidas style of wearing. It has a regular fit, and on the hood it has 70% cotton and 20% recycled polyester. It's a long pullover hobby with this nice blue color and white Adidas special stripes. It's really simple to wash in the wash machine. I got it in the large size, and I'm a quite big guy, so it's really comfortable for me. So the fit is really well, and I do recommend this for some extra style and stay warm. And I'll see you later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos and visualmodo.com website. All the best!